Hey everyone, Eva here. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I have a Grove collaborative haul for you, and I'm really excited to share these items with you because one of the places in my home that I absolutely have to have clean is my kitchen. How many of you are like that? The two places in my home that I need to always look clean are the bathroom and the kitchen. The rest of my house can pretty much just look the way it wants, but if those two areas are good, then I'm pretty much okay with that. So I'm going to start by showing you the first item that I got. Now this was a set, and this is a limited edition scent that they only bring out, I think, for the holidays, wintertime, and it's from Mrs. Meyers, and this Clean Day. This is the dish soap in the set, and the scent Peppermint. This smells so good. This is the first time I actually smelled this one, and it smells so good, and I'm really happy that I was able to get this set. So I got this set of 3, so you get the hand soap as well. I didn't tell you the soap. The soap is 16 fluid ounces, and then the hand soap is 12.5. I was gonna say 12.25 ounces, and this is in the gel form. And then I got the spray, which I've already been using, and this has 16 fluid ounces in it. So I'm going to put all these 3 things, if I can pick them all up for you. These 3 things were $7.99, so that was a really good deal, because typically the spray alone in most places runs between $3.99 and $4.99, depends where you shop for it. And then the other thing that I picked up finally is also from Mrs. Meyers, and this is the which one is this one? The baking soda cream cleanser, because I have the vinegar one. It's in a gel form, and let me tell you, if you have not used that one, definitely pick it up. It is great for, like, you know when you get those hard water stains on your pots, because I noticed that, I don't know why, when I cook, like if I make pasta in a pot, one particular pot that I have in my house, after I wash it, sometimes, like, no matter how well I wash it, it has like these little white spots on it. And what I used to use before is soak it with a little bit of vinegar, but then I purchased that, and I just put a little bit of that, and then I scrub it, and I rinse it really well with hot water, and it's completely gone. So if you've never tried that one, definitely try it. I think I'll try to show it to you guys when I show you my kitchen after I set all these things up. So this one is 12 fluid ounces, and I don't remember the prices. I don't think the prices, no, they never list the prices on your invoice, but this, I'm looking forward to using it on my counters, and also using it like in my sink, because after I wash all the dishes, I like to go in and kind of scrub it up and just make it look nice and shiny. The next thing that I picked up are these coconut scouring pads, and this is a 2-pack, and if I remember correctly, these are $3.95. And I got these because I wanted to see if this would be a better alternative instead of using, you know, the silver ones that I usually buy. I forget who they're by. Sorry, my hair is getting in my eyes. Sorry about that. I know people hate when you play with your hair in the video, but that was literally in my eye right now. So let me see, these smell like coconut. Oh my god, these do. They have a little bit of a scent of a coconut, nothing really overpowering. So I haven't tried these yet. I've been holding on to them, so I will use them the next time I scrub a pot and see if it works better, or it's kind of there where it's at. So I'll update you guys about this. If it's not in the description of the video, then it will definitely be on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, I'll put the name right here, so you guys can definitely follow me there, because I do little mini videos sometimes, and I put it there, and I also post them on my Snapchat. So I'll have all the information down below. The next thing is from Grove Collaborative, and it's their particular brand, and it says it's designed with full circle, and this is the soap dispenser and dish brush set, and this comes in this box, and this is probably the most popular, one of the most popular items that they have in Grove Collaborative that people purchase, and they have always in their kitchen. So I've been seeing this everywhere, so I decided to just pick it up. So let me just open this real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. So on this kit, you get like 3 little pieces. So you get the little dish that it goes in. It's a ceramic dish, and then you get this little, my finger keeps getting caught on it, this little rubber thing. And what you do is it has like a little spring to it. If I could show it. See? And then you put it in here. And then what the key of this little gadget is, you put soap right here, your dish soap, fill it up with water, and then you take this brush that comes with it. You guys can see that. And you put it in here, and you just pump it. And then you get the soap, and you scrub your dishes with it. So I thought to I finally decided to just pick it up. and it just says Grove Collaborative on it right there. The next thing I got also was for free. I have to show you two more things. is this little bucket, and it says Grove Collab on it. And I got it in the white so that it can just go with everything in my kitchen, because what I'm planning to do is take the things that I use the most. So for instance, like the spray, that vinegar gel thing that I told you about, and then some other products that I use always in my kitchen, to put them in here and just kind of have them all the way in the back of one of my counters that's kind of far away, so that when I need it I just reach for it and I grab it there. So this is what that looks like again. So I got this for free, and I believe that these range from $12 to $15. It depends which one you get. And they also have different options. So they have the glossy white, and then they have a matte white. I recently saw they have a matte gray, which if they would have had that one I ordered, I would have definitely picked that one up, because I love anything that's gray, hence gray shirt today. And they have a red one, and for a limited time they have the one that has the pomegranate picture on it. I was thinking of getting that one, but then I changed my mind, because I was like, am I gonna really love this all year? Because I'm trying to get things that I'm going to not be seasonal, kind of like all year round situation. So I picked up 2 of the stone trays, because now they have a different style, not design. Design wise, they do have quite a few. So this is one of them, and this is 10 inches by 10 by 5. So here's the packaging. So let me open this one to show you what this one looks like. I'm not sure which particular style this one is. So here's the tray, and it's really nice, and I like the little lip part of it. It's kind of like a little, you know, ridge around it. And it says Grove Collab on it. This is the new logo that they have. So I'm going to show you, after I show you this last tray, how I'm going to have it set up in my kitchen. But I really like this a lot. It's very sleek and it's pretty. So I have another tray as well. You guys are probably like, another tray? Yes, I have 2 trays. And you'll see why I got 2 in a minute. But here it is in the box. So let me open that so you can see what the other one looks like. Here is the second tray that I picked up. Yes, I did pick up 2 trays, and you're going to see in a few minutes why I picked up 2 trays. And this one is the plain white one. And this is the one that they provide in, it has that pomegranate design on it right there. If I can find a picture that I can put in the video, I will show you. But this is really nice, and I'm going to love this on my sink. So that's everything that I picked up. So I'm going to go in my kitchen now and show you exactly how I'm going to set up these 2 trays, so you can see why I got 2 instead of just the 1. Okay, so here we have the first tray that originally was available on Grove Collaborative, and these are the 3 items that I picked up today in the Peppermint trio that was $7.99. So I put on this side of my sink, and now I'm going to show you my other tray. This is the second model that they have, which is the newer, more modern looking and contemporary in my opinion. So you have the wooden brush of the Bubble Up, the original one, and then next to it you have another one that's new to their line as well. It's for you to, it's called the Sponge Bubble Up. I'll have everything listed in the description box. And then I'm showing it without a sponge so you guys can get a better idea what it's like. And now I'm going to place the sponges that I got, the scouring pads, on top. So what I have now is my sponge and my scouring pad together, but I just want to show you what it looks like. And next to it there in the corner, you see that's the utensil holder that I used to straighten out my forks and spoons when I washed them. So now I'm going to show you the bucket, and I decided to put it here in this corner, but I changed my mind later on. But it's a great spot to put things in there, like if you want to keep your sprays and things handy, so that when you know, do dishes or whatever and you clean your sink. So now this is the vinegar gel no rinse cleanser I talked about. This stuff is great. And then that's the baking soda cream cleanser that I told you that I'm going to keep those 2 things in the bucket, so when I need them after I wash dishes. And then the next thing I'm going to show you is just pretty much I set up everything. So here's an overview. So if you see, there's my the 1 dish that I got, and the bubble ups, the 2 different bubble ups, the utensil for my spoons and forks after I wash them. And then I'm just going to pan over nice and slow for you guys so you can see my whole counter area, sink area. And right there you see I left the bucket, and it has the stuff I need. And then that's the glass bottle I talked about that I got for free. And then here are the 3 Mr. Meyers things that I got with the tray. Okay, well, so that's everything that I have for you. I hope you enjoyed that little setup that I showed you in my kitchen. Let me know if you guys want me to show you more things like that, where what I do with the actual items that I purchase. I'll be more than happy to film that for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. And please check the description box. It has all the information you could possibly need. And if you have any questions or I didn't answer anything, just ask away in the comment, and I'll be more comment section, and I will be more than happy to answer those questions. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Bye.